Is it time to buy or sell Digital Brands Group common stock? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at Digital Brands Group common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Digital Brands Group common stock as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.59. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 23.63% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 40.48% to a decrease of 14.75%. On a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis points to a projected decline of around 39.82%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a total loss of 100% to a decline of 24.81% over the next year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price range between $0 and $8. Our latest daily update for Digital Brands Group common stock includes the headline, Significant Movements in Digital Brands Group Inc. common stock price on Friday, moving 28.13% between high and low. The Digital Brands Group Inc. common stock price gained 21.14% on the last trading day, which was Friday, August 22, 2025, rising from $8.78 to $10.64. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 28.13%, with a day low of $8.55 and a day high of $10.96. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 7.49% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 9,000 shares, with a total of 200 shares exchanged for approximately $2,130. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $52.50, and the lowest price was $1.03. Currently, the price is 79.73% or $41.86 below the 52-week high and 100% or $1,099,989.36 below the all-time high on July 8, 2021, when the price reached $1,100,000. Digital Brands Group, ticker DBGI, has recently achieved a series of significant milestones that fundamentally alter its profile. This week, DBGI completed an uplisting to the Nasdaq capital market following an upgrade to OTCQX in June. This transition signals enhanced reporting standards and increased liquidity. In August, the company secured approximately $11,200,000 in a private investment in public equity, providing essential near-term capital. This followed a public unit offering earlier in the year that raised $7,500,000, aimed at strengthening working capital and reducing debt. On the operational front, DBGI has been broadening its retail presence by acquiring virtual shopping assets from Open Daily to enhance online conversion rates. Additionally, they have partnered with Amaze to feature their brands on the Teespring marketplace. The management team also reported significant debt reductions late last year, which have improved financial flexibility. In the short term, heightened volatility is expected. The move to Nasdaq typically results in increased trading volume and attention. While the recent financings may be dilutive, they also mitigate immediate refinancing risks. Looking ahead, the successful integration of virtual shopping technology and wider distribution could drive revenue growth and improve margins. A stronger balance sheet and a broader investor base further support the potential for a re-rating. However, the ultimate upside will hinge on execution, customer adoption, and the competitive landscape. Analysts have assigned Digital Brands Group common stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Digital Brands Group common stock. Digital Brands Group Inc. common stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On potential downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $9.47 and $10.54. A breakdown below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 18, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 24.75%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term development. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day while the price increased, leading to a divergence that could serve as an early warning, although this may not be the case. The very low volume elevates risk and diminishes the reliability of other technical signals in play. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 75 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Digital Brands Group common stock. Digital Brands Group Incorporated common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $10.50. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with occasional low trading volume, it is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.41 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 28.13%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 25.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Digital Brands Group's common stock, let us quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In related news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Digital Brands Group common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Digital Brands Group common stock is at $11.10. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Digital Brands Group common stock faces its first support level at $10.50. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.28, reflecting a decrease of 3.44%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a heightened level of risk. There is currently a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is Digital Brands Group common stock a good investment? While the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Therefore, we believe that the present level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our evaluation from a strong sell to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, August 25th, we anticipate that Digital Brands Group common stock will open lower by approximately 592 cents, starting at $10.05. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.